let's spell the first word. And that word is cat. C-A-T. Cat. Number 2, let's spell pan. P-A-N. Pan. Number 3, let's spell bag. B-A-G. Bag. Number 4, let's spell lad. L-A-D. Lad. Number 5, let's spell jam. J-A-M. Jam. Number 6, let's spell cab. C-A-B. Cab. Number 7, let's spell sad. S-A-D. Sad. Number 8, let's spell tag. T-A-G. Tag. Number 9, let's spell ram. R-A-M. Ram. Number 10, let's spell map. M-A-P. Map. How many did you get right? Comment down below.